Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this wireless outdoor camera. So I'm super excited because I love cameras and you can never be too safe. So this has pan tilt, color night vision, motion detection, two-way audio, TF card storage, and IP65 waterproof. So I don't like wasting your time when it comes to cameras because most of you guys, you just want to see the quality. So we're going to go over everything quickly and then show you the footage. So they give you a manual. They obviously give you the unit, which we'll show you guys up close. They give you a mounting bracket decal. So what you would do is you would stick this where you're going to be mounting it and then drill the screw holes for mounting. They give you your power cable right in here, as well as your power plug. Now keep in mind, this does not come with solar, so it's wireless, but you know it does need power for charging, so please keep that in mind. Now you can actually get solar panels with this same, it's the micro end, it's not a type C, it's not an Apple end, it's that micro end. Check out the listing, and if you get a solar panel with this connection end, you can run it 100% with solar. So you won't have to have this plugged in for powering. But yeah, so this is the unit itself. So you would mount it like this, and then it can rotate, as you guys can see here, all around. Basically 360 degrees. It stops at one point, then you can go the whole way back around. You can then also rotate it up and straight down actually, so it's pretty awesome. Under here is where you have your SD card position, so you would peel this back if you don't have nails. So you just put the SD card in there. Again, guys, very simple, cut and dry. Follow the manual. Please follow the manual on that. It's very simple in how to use. So we're going to go ahead and show you some footage. And mounting is easy as well. You just mount the screws. You pop this piece off here. So you pop this off, put your screws through, and then this is going to be sticking on your wall. And then what you do is you just line it up, pop it in place like that, and it's right there. So it's so simple. They make this extremely easy, guys. I think anybody can install this. Follow your manual if you're confused about something. Thanks for watching, guys.